Full-blown panic mode. Hey guys, today's the day I'm going to do the meal for the coaches at the high school. I'm going to smoke some meat today, and I'm going to serve it to them tomorrow. I was going to do a much smaller meal. I was going to do some smoked carne guisada and make tacos. But today, as I was leaving work, they said, hey, we want brisket. Well, it's 1 o'clock in the afternoon, and I'm starting a brisket. So I'm going to go hot and fast method. Don't typically ever do this. So about to find out how it's going to turn out. I'm going to run it at 300 and see if I can't get this thing done before midnight and do an overnight hold on it. And we'll see. About to find out. Alright, got the brisket in. Got it set to 300 degrees, and what's coming up next is I'm going to make some homemade cream style corn. I've never made this before myself. However, if you ever had cream corn at barbecue restaurants, man, it can be really good. So I found a recipe I like. It's got a lot of cream cheese in it, a little bit of heavy cream, salt and pepper, a little bit of sugar. We're gonna give it a shot and see how it goes. Here's our briskets that are on. They look pretty good, man. They're both primes. I put the thinner one up top where it's just a little bit cooler, a little bit warmer right here on this rack, so I got it going. And now I'm gonna throw these cream cheese blocks on. I'm gonna smoke them for about an hour, maybe 45 minutes, and then I'm gonna add them to the cream corn. Alright, so the brisket has hit the stall right in the mid 170s or so. So I'm going to get them both wrapped up and get them on the pit. And hopefully they'll be done by midnight. It's about 7:30 right now. Guys, I really hate that this happened, but I tried to film the end of that cook, and I shot a good hour's worth maybe of a loop video and forgot to hit start, so none of it got captured. But however, coaches absolutely loved everything. The brisket was amazing. You know, like I said, I did 2 11-pounders and there wasn't anything left. They ate all of it. All of it was gone. They ate all the sausage. The cream corn was a huge hit. Also did my own homemade borracho beans. All those were gone as well. And the only thing I bought was a couple loaves of bread and some potato salad. So yeah, they absolutely loved it. It was a great cook. Here's a few little quick pictures of how the remains towards the end were looking. Doesn't look great because they had hammered it pretty good by then. But here's a peek at it. So I hope y'all enjoyed that video there. If you wouldn't mind like and share down at the bottom for me, and you know, if you want to subscribe, that'd be great too. And nobody needs to, but helps me out a little bit. So see you next time.